How do legendary BJJ sweepers master their techniques? Imagine a martial art where the ability to change the course of a match hinges on precise timing, deep understanding of leverage, and relentless practice. In Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, sweepers are the athletes who excel at reversing positions from the bottom to gain top control. But how do they achieve mastery in such a complex skill set? The secret lies in a combination of meticulous study, consistent drilling, and adaptive problem solving. Legendary sweepers dedicate countless hours to breaking down fundamental mechanics. They analyze how body positioning, weight distribution, and grip placement influence the success of each sweep. For example, they focus on mastering the mechanics of hip movement, such as the importance of creating space with the hips to destabilize an opponent's base. They also develop an intuitive sense of timing, recognizing the precise moment when an opponent's balance is vulnerable. Repetition is crucial. These athletes drill specific sweeps repeatedly, not just to memorize the movements but to develop muscle memory. This allows them to execute techniques fluidly during live sparring sessions without hesitation. They often incorporate varied resistance levels into their training, starting with slow, controlled repetitions and gradually increasing speed and intensity. This process helps them adapt techniques to different body types and situations. Another vital aspect is studying and analyzing their own sparring sessions. Legendary sweepers review footage of their performances to identify areas for improvement, such as timing errors or inefficient grips. They also observe high-level competitors to understand how top athletes set up and execute sweeps, learning to anticipate and counter common defenses. Furthermore, they cultivate a mindset of continuous learning. They experiment with modifications to traditional sweeps, tailoring techniques to their unique body mechanics and preferences. This adaptability ensures their sweeps remain as effective against evolving defensive strategies. In essence, mastery in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu sweeping comes from a blend of detailed technical understanding, relentless practice, strategic analysis, and adaptive innovation. These elements combine to turn fundamental movements into highly effective tools that can turn the tide of any match.